Okay, really quick, how to get the X's half lap and inside your furniture. I use these a lot for accents, so there's nothing structural about these. If they were structural, you'd want to do something more like a mortise and a tenon or something else in here. But these are just supposed to go in here. This is a vanity, it's 36 inches wide. Obviously these legs are beefy and big enough to hold everything up. So all I'm going to do is choose where I want these boards to sit. And I want to come from this top corner here to this bottom corner. Because actually, very first thing that you want to do is square these things up. So I've already taken the time to join and plane them so that they're nice and square. Then I'm gonna, and I've squared these up and I've squared these up, and I know that this area inside here is square, so everything's nice and uniform. Then I'm gonna line up the edge of my board with where I want it to go. And I'm gonna trace out on the bottom, right along where it's going to sit. Grab my ruler. And I'll do that on both. Then I come over to my big angry chop saw. Test fit, make sure everything's nice and snug. And then decide which ones you want to go in first and second. Put that one in. Second one on top, right where they're gonna go. Transfer the top shape onto the bottom one. And the bottom one onto the top one. Don't drop your stuff on the floor. Right here, set the depth on your saw so that it can only go down until it hits that stopper. Figure out where the halfway part of your board is. Set your saw so that it won't go any more than halfway, and either use your laser or whatever you have, just start sawing. Make sure you're right on the line, and then plunge through and cut. Do that to both of them. Okay, you should have two half laps now. And if all your angles were right and you had held everything straight and your saw was a nice 90, then these two pieces should fit together nice like that, and they should be nice and snug